So today's video is to show you guys how to do power folding mirrors on the st2 Fiesta using power fold mirrors from st3. Now mine are already plumbed in. So you're going to need a 4 scan with the extended license, and you're going to need the Elm contract box with the adjust switch on the box itself. So my USB slot normally is hidden, but for this video's purposes I've located it in its original place, just to make life a little bit easier. So what you want to do first is obviously plug into the laptop. Make sure you have 4 scan open with the extended license. Obviously your laptop will beep to tell you. I just locked this off. You want to go ahead and turn the ignition on. So, shut the door a sec. And what you want to do is open 4 scan and click to connect to the car. I've got a bit of a slow computer, so yours probably won't come out with that. My laptop's just been a bit funny at the moment, guys. Just gonna hold it and reload 4 scan. Okay, so again you want the ignition on. So it will bring up your car automatically. Before you do that, you need to go into settings and just make sure the demo and debug mode is not ticked. And you also want to go and do the connection to auto connect. Okay, so it's successfully connected to the car. You want to go down to this little chip here, and what you're looking for is IPC central configuration main. You want to select that and then click play. It will ask you to flick the switch. Mine's already switched. It does come at read-only mode sometimes. If it does that, just go in and then out. It's a bit of a pain in the butt, to be honest with you guys. Don't know why it really does it. It will ask you to turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition off. Click OK. And you bring up all your functions here. Now you use this procedure the same way to activate cruise control. My cruise control is currently not in yet, so it won't be there. But what you want to do is you want to select engineering 1, all editable, and you want to type in retract, and it will come up with rear view mirrors. You want to click edit selected down on the bottom, and then select number 2, which is with retractable mirrors. When you haven't got it activated already, it will be on without retractable mirrors. You want to select number 2 and then click the tick button. Your car will do some weird stuff, make some noises. Just follow the on-screen instructions. As mine's already set up, it'll do it for you. But that's basically how you set up the power folding mirrors on the st2 using st3 power folding mirrors. I will do a video with a cruise control as well, because there's only 1 or 2 limited videos, but when that is done, I'll be sure to post that as well. Okay, so just to refresh, chip, central configuration, scroll down to engineering 1, all hidden, all editable, sorry, and then just type in retract. It'll come up, or you can even type in rear. you want to go to number 2 hidden, sorry. I can't spell, ignore that. And you just want to make sure that it is also on here with rear. Again, if it's not, edit selected, select number 2 with retractable mirrors, click on the tick button, and then you want to click write, and it'll write it for you. A lot of people say you need to edit the BCIM module as well. You don't. You just need to do this one and it'll save it for you. Okay guys, so that is how we activate powerful emitters on the ST2 using ST3 mirrors. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll do another video soon.